Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change currency on Yahoo Finance. When you change your currency on Yahoo Finance, it adjusts displayed value for financial data to reflect on your chosen currency. To do that, first open your Yahoo Finance application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to Home. Now tap on Account on down right corner. Then tap on Settings present on the top. With this, look for Regions and Currencies and tap on Regions and Currencies. Now here you can set your currency on two bases. If your set news region and default currency based on market region feature is turned on, then you can tap on market region option on the top. Then you can choose your country or region. After that, your currency will be changed according to the market region that you have chosen. You can see here the currency has been changed from Great British Pounds to US dollars. Now you can also change it manually. For that, tap on the small notch present near Set News Region and Default Currency based on Market Region option. With this, the blue notch will be turned off. And now here you can tap on Default Currency option. With this, now here you can choose any currencies that you want. Or you can also search for currency by tapping on the search bar on the top and then you can enter the currency. Now tap on the currency that you want to choose. With this, now your default currency will be changed. As you can see here, my default currency has been changed to Euro. This is how we can change currency on Yahoo Finance. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.